Grass is outgrow. Here's your, on this side, here's your pomegranate tree. Here's your tamarind tree. And look at the bamboos outgrowing again, spread into the yard. Yeah, cannot leave long. Have to keep trimming it as it grow. Now it outgrow. So gonna take some effort to trim them all down. Here's this other tamarind, a small one, growing like this. Some other tree here probably overgrown by the bamboo. Here's your pineapple. There's a pineapple in there. Nothing here. I don't know what we grow here, but no, nothing grow over here. Wow, somebody cleaned all the avocado, gone. Not even a single one left. There's somebody stole it all. See the other tree. Yep, nothing here either. Maybe one up there, very tall. One left. Well, too bad. Somebody got in and stole it all. Back to the plant on this side. Looks like that's a mango. Very slow grow. Look at that. One avocado there. Some tree over here, no, nothing. And this is a guava. Here's a that loquat right there, and this one's supposed to be it's overshadowed by bamboo. There's your banana, also growing kind of bigger than was planted before. This is big too, and look at all the sugar cane over there. This tree fall off. Kind of wet ground a little bit, not very bad flood. So here's a, wow, the two banana trees from California right here. They grown big, no fruit yet. This one spread out big. I thought that one of them like this one, maybe the dwarf banana. This one a big one, and the sugar cane kind of overgrown. And they didn't cut all this back here, so gonna have to do a lot of work on that. Well, they're not here, so they steal all the banana avocado. And these three, no good. That one, no good. Here's palm tree, kind of not healthy. Okay, easy. Like that. Oh my goodness, the papaya, lot of flower. Looks like gonna give you fruit, but it's already blown down, planted down. On this side, oh, look at here. On this side, you got papaya that laying down, but already fruit here. See, pretty good fruit. And look at that shed blown into down onto sideways. This side, this one is gonna give you a lot of fruit. The two papaya give you a lot of fruit. Oh, look at here. Look, this thing already fruit. Maca. See, on this side, that's an expensive one that we bought the last plant. And this one, something is no longer there. This one looks like, yeah, this one's still alive. And that guava there, oh, well, guava, you wrap it, it's be ready. It's in a bag. It's got big. Oh yeah, look at big. Pretty fruit got pretty big. Three guava. Gonna pick it. And this mango still here. Not very healthy. This is the bamboo that come over. Here's a dip. Here's Logan. Oh, here's your. This is what you see on the camera. It's actually your Kambong knee. Right here. It's growing. Yeah. It's growing. So we need a lot of work. Here's your line. That's one line. This is the other line. This line is not fruiting this year. Last year we came and picked some lime during Christmas. Don't see it starting to fruit anything or flower, so what's going on? Yeah, that's it.